Hi, to fix Hotspot not working problem on your CMF phone 1, firstly make sure that mobile data is enabled on your phone and that you have enough megabits or gigabytes in your mobile data. So you can open settings, go in network and internet. Here find SIMs tab and then choose app data usage and check used gigabytes or megabits. So make sure you got enough because if not, other devices won't be able to connect to your network. Now, the next thing we need to do is we need to find this hotspot and tethering tab. And we can tap on Wi-Fi hotspot. Now make sure to enable this one. So just tap on the switcher to use Wi-Fi hotspot. And in this security, I suggest you to enable either this one or this option for the best internet. And also for speed and compatibility, enable 5 GHz. In my case, I cannot change it, so I got only 5 GHz, which is also really perfect. Now let's go back in this network and internet tab, and here find data saver and make sure that this one is disabled, because if you enable it you won't be able to use hotspot properly. So make sure to disable data saver. And now next thing we need to do is to go back in network and internet, find SIMs, and here choose data warning and limit. Now make sure to disable set data limit and set data warning, because if you reach this limit you won't be able to share your network actually. If it didn't help, then let's check whether the phone is updated to the latest version. For that, scroll down, find your system tab, choose system updates, and make sure that you got this information your system is up to date, because usually updates includes fixing old issues and adding new features, so make sure that your phone is always up to date. Now next thing we need to do is find this about phone tab, tap on this Nothing OS and then tap 7 times on build number to enable developer options. Let me show you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In your case, you would see information, congratulations, you are now a developer, but in my case, developer mode is already activated. So to check this, we'll need to return back in system, find this tab, developer options, and here we should find feature mobile data always active, something like that. So let's just scroll through the list and find it. And yep, here it is, mobile data always active. So to always keep mobile data active even when Wi-Fi is active for fast network switching. So make sure to enable this one. If it is disabled, then simply tap on the switcher so it will become green. And that's it. So if those advices help, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.